Application of psychology in nursing. Can you explain psychology applied to maternal health nursing? How to psychology apply to child health nursing? Can you brief about psychology applied to medical surgical nursing? What do you think about psychology applied to mental health nursing? Can you describe psychology applied to community health nursing? Going to learn. Overview. Psychology has been applying every discipline in nursing, including maternal health, child health, medical surgical, and mental health. Also community health nursing. Next we are going to deal with psychology applied to maternal health nursing. What is meant by maternal health nursing? Maternal health nursing is a service to health of women during pregnancy, childbirth, and the postpartum period. And maternal nursing services are antenatal care, delivery care, and postnatal care services. It is on healthcare dimensions of family planning, pre-conception, and prenatal care in order to ensure a positive and happier motherhood. Psychology applied to maternal health nursing. Psychological support provided to mothers, assess the mental status of mother, measure attitude of mothers, detect mental health problems during motherhood and enhance self-confidence, counseling and guidance given to mother, pain management during delivery, postnatal, sex education and health education. Next we are going to deal with psychology applied to pediatric nursing. What is pediatric nursing? The branch of nursing concerned with the care of infants and children. Pediatric nursing requires knowledge of normal psychomotor, psychosocial, and cognitive growth and development, as well as of the health problems and needs of people in this age group. Preventive care and anticipatory guidance are integral to the practice of pediatric nursing. Psychology applied to pediatric nursing or child health nursing following: study mental growth and development, identify behavioral disorders, diagnosis childhood psychological problem through child psychiatry, treat the personality disorders, provide counseling to prevent child abuse, detect learning problems and promote mental health. Next we are going to deal with psychology applied to medical surgical nursing. What is medical surgical nursing? It is a nursing specialty area concerned with the care of adult patient in a broad range of setting. The branch of this science encompassing treatment by drugs, diet, exercise, and other surgical and non-surgical means, the practice of medicine, an agent such as drugs used to treat disease or injury. Psychology applied to medical surgical nursing. Following: assess mental status of client, support to diagnosis the diseases, management of chronic disease, prevent non-communicable diseases, pain management, to know the attitude of the client, to counseling and guidance to chronic diseases. Psychology applied to mental health nursing. What is meant by mental health nursing? The mental health nurse seeks to enable the individual or family to adapt to their altered health state, especially those who have an enduring mental health illness, and helps them to learn how to cope with a range of problems such as altered perceptions and altered belief. Psychology applied to mental health nursing. Following: mental status examination, detect mental health problems, diagnosis the causes of mental disorders, psychotherapy, cognitive therapy, counseling and guidance to prevent mental health problems, promote mental hygiene, develop mental culture. Next, we are going to deal with psychology applied to community health nursing. What is community health nursing? Community health nursing is the synthesis of nursing and public health practice applied to promote and protect the health of population. It combines all the basic elements of professional clinical nursing with public health and community health practice. Psychology applied to community health nursing. Social psychology study the psychology of community. Community psychiatry identify mental health problem in the community, helps to educate the community, family counseling and guidance, provide health education, promote green psychosocial environment. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.